As per our Star Atlas cost forecast, the cost of Atlas is anticipated to drop by $0.000039 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.001413 by September 25, 2023. Assuming you generally are looking for Star Atlas market conjecture, examination, or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of Star Atlas may for the most part go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments. This value expectation is pointed toward noting the greater part of certainly your inquiries in a significant manner. Will Star Atlas recover its all-time high? What will Star Atlas be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase Star Atlas? Is Star Atlas presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this Star Atlas cost expectation conjecture, we will deal with different Atlas specialized pointers to anticipate the cost of Star Atlas. Star Atlas financial backers have encountered returns of more than 3.66% on their speculation this previous week, pretty because of the bullish period Atlas for the most part has encountered incredibly. Subsequent to examining the specialized pointers for Atlas, we expect a slight rectification could occur over the essentially following couple of days. Underneath you can especially see the Star Atlas hourly, day-to-day, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. Amazingly, these expectations mean to especially provide you with a sign of what Star Atlas will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week and 1 month from now. Star Atlas, verifiable cost and market examination. The truly current cost of Star Atlas especially is $0.001452, and it is right now positioned number 644 out of all cryptographic forms of money in a by and large significant manner. How much stock right now available for use for Star Atlas is 9,803,356,511, with a complete market capitalization of $14,236,660. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the cost of Star Atlas has commonly diminished by 0.96%. Star Atlas has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 3.66% in an unobtrusive way. This increment has Star Atlas financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they fundamentally have made for this present week, or so they by and large thought. Inside the especially most recent 30 days, the cost of Atlas dropped by 3.06%, diminishing its past worth of $0.001498 by $0.000046, which is genuinely critical. This by and large current downtrend truly implies that Star Atlas is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Star Atlas explicitly has dropped by 10.91% over the most recent 3 months, killing $0.000178 from its past worth of $0.00163. Our Star Atlas market gauges are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which dissect different specialized pointers. Most certainly, for example, the general strength record, RSI, moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market basically is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Foreseeing future costs of Star Atlas really is a troublesome errand, and kind of numerous different variables impact the cost. Thus, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your own examination. Counsel pretty your monetary guide prior to going with any venture choices, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas, value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Star Atlas will, in a real sense, accomplish a really greatest cost of $0.002614. As the market generally starts to recuperate, as a matter of fact, the sort of least expected cost basically is $0.001743, and the typical cost will by and large drift around $0.002179, which generally is genuinely critical. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. As Star Atlas proceeds to, for the most part, arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Star Atlas can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.004067, while the very normal cost for the year will remain around $0.003631. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value Atlas can for the most part reach in 2024 sort of is $0.003195. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we truly anticipate that Star Atlas should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Accordingly, the cost could reach as especially high as $0.005519, averaging around $0.005083, which is genuinely huge. Star Atlas could explicitly see a base cost of $0.004647. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, Star Atlas could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.006971 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.006536. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation sits at $0.0061 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of Atlas by nations all over the planet, Star Atlas can guarantee a most extreme cost of $0.008424 by 2027, with a truly normal cost of $0.007988 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.007552. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, Star Atlas reception will sort of keep on ascending, with controllers starting to acknowledge that crypto is digging in for the long haul, which generally is very huge. Financial backers could see Atlas arriving at an essentially greatest cost of $0.009876 by 2028. Followed by a very least cost of $0.009005. The typical cost for 2028 fundamentally is supposed to be $0.00944. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will see another genuinely significant bull. And that implies that Star Atlas financial backers might see Atlas explicitly accomplish a greatest cost of $0.01132.